This is Pam from NortheastWalesEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet, otherwise known as Hershey, checking out this rather unusual 56 Studebaker President Wagon, two-door wagon. This car has been restored to the nth degree. That sweet little Studebaker V8. I like the torsion bar for the springs, for lifting. This car is so cool. Interesting is that it's a two-door, and look at the way the belt line runs, where you have the large driver's window and then it kicks up into a smaller passenger window, which slides. Very, very interesting. I'm looking at these fins. That is so wild. You can see the way how they were actually added on. You see the seam over there, covered. Wow.
That's exactly what you think of, right? Yeah.
Studebaker knew how to really spread their dollar. I like the backup lights over there. This is unusual as a president, isn't it? I've never seen a president wagon before. I like the way they grafted on the fiberglass fins.
The fins, yeah.
That is cool. That is cool. I've seen standard station wagons, the Conestogas, and I've seen the ambulance. But this is my first president wagon. Ooh. Oh, that's nice with the rack and everything. This car is just outstanding. This is why I come to Hershey, to see cars like this. Again, a 56 Studebaker President station wagon. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWalesEvents.com, SoutheastWalesEvents.com, UKWalesEvents.com. Those are your car show calendars. And if you like strange vehicles like this, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.